Across the globe, a fascinating trend is taking root. Abandoned villages, once forgotten relics of the past, are experiencing a remarkable revival. Transformed into luxurious havens, these villages offer a unique blend of history, tranquility, and opulence. Imagine stepping back in time, surrounded by centuries-old architecture, yet enjoying every modern comfort imaginable. This is the allure of abandoned villages turned luxury retreats. These hidden gems offer a welcome escape from the ordinary. They provide a chance to reconnect with nature, immerse oneself in history, and indulge in unparalleled luxury. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps, these revitalized villages beckon travelers seeking an experience that is both extraordinary and unforgettable. The transformation of these villages is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring allure of the past. It's a fusion of preservation and innovation where ancient stones meet modern design, and time-worn traditions blend seamlessly with contemporary comforts. Italy, with its rich history, is a land where the past and present seamlessly blend together. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the Renaissance art of Florence, every corner of this country tells a story. But beyond the well-trodden tourist paths, there lies a treasure trove of lesser-known villages, each with its own unique charm and history. These villages, with their abundance of charming streets and colorful houses, have become prime locations for luxurious transformations. Imagine walking through cobblestone streets lined with flowers, where every turn reveals a new picturesque scene. It's in these hidden gems that the true essence of Italy can be found. In the heart of Tuscany, nestled among rolling vineyards and ancient olive groves, lies the enchanting village of Borgo Santo Pietro. This village, with its breathtaking landscapes, offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Once a humble farming community, Borgo Santo Pietro has been meticulously restored and transformed into a stunning five-star resort. The restoration process was a labor of love, with every detail carefully considered to preserve the village's historical integrity while adding modern luxuries. The village's original buildings, some dating back to the 13th century, have been carefully preserved. These ancient stone structures with their weathered facades now house elegant suites that offer a perfect blend of old-world charm and contemporary comfort. Inside these suites, guests can enjoy world-class dining experiences, with menus that celebrate the rich culinary traditions of the region. Imagine savoring a meal prepared with locally sourced ingredients, paired with a fine Tuscan wine, all within the walls of a centuries-old building. Further south, in the Puglia region, the village of Grottaglie offers a different kind of charm. This village, with its whitewashed buildings and narrow streets, is known for its vibrant artistic community. Grottaglie is renowned for its traditional pottery, a craft that has been passed down through generations. Visitors can watch artisans at work, shaping and painting each piece with meticulous care. The village's artistic spirit is palpable, with pottery studios and galleries dotting the streets. Many of the restored homes in Grottaglie now showcase the work of local artisans. These homes, with their unique decor, offer a glimpse into the village's rich cultural heritage. Staying in one of these homes is like stepping into a living museum, where every piece of pottery tells a story. Guests can wander through the village's narrow streets, admiring the colorful ceramics that adorn the walls and shop windows. The vibrant atmosphere is infectious, with the sounds of laughter and conversation filling the air. And when the sun sets, they can retreat to their luxurious accommodations, housed in beautifully restored historic buildings. These accommodations offer the perfect blend of comfort and history, with modern amenities set against a backdrop of ancient architecture. These are just two examples of the many abandoned villages in Italy that have been given a new lease on life as luxury retreats. Each village has its own story to tell, with unique features that set it apart from the others. Each village offers its unique character and charm, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the sun-drenched landscapes of Puglia. Whether it's the history, the art, or the cuisine, there's something for everyone to discover, but all share a commitment to preserving the past while providing guests with an unforgettable experience. These luxury retreats are more than just places to stay. They are gateways to a rich cultural heritage, where history meets indulgence in the most enchanting way possible. Beyond the sun-drenched hills of Italy, the Swiss Alps offer a different kind of allure. This majestic mountain range, with its snow-capped peaks and verdant valleys, is a paradise for those seeking both adventure and tranquility. The Swiss Alps are not just a destination, they are an experience, a journey into the heart of nature's grandeur. Here, amidst towering peaks and pristine alpine meadows, abandoned villages have been transformed into havens of peace and tranquility. These once-forgotten hamlets now serve as serene retreats, where the pace of life slows down and the beauty of the natural world takes center stage. The transformation of these villages is a testament to the enduring charm and resilience of the Swiss Alps. The village of Guarda, perched high above the Engadine Valley, is a prime example. This picturesque village, with its stunning views and rich history, offers a glimpse into the past while providing all the comforts of modern living. The Engadine Valley itself is a marvel, with its lush landscapes and crystal-clear rivers, making Guarda a perfect base for exploring the region. Designated as a Swiss heritage site, Guarda's beautifully preserved houses with their intricately painted facades transport visitors back in time. Each house tells a story, with its unique architecture and detailed artwork reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the region. Walking through the streets of Guarda feels like stepping into a living museum, where history and tradition are preserved with great care. Today, these historic homes have been converted into luxurious chalets, offering breathtaking views and unparalleled access to some of the world's best skiing and hiking trails. These chalets blend the charm of traditional Swiss architecture with modern amenities, providing a perfect retreat for those looking to experience the best of both worlds. Whether you're an avid skier or a nature enthusiast, these chalets offer a gateway to the wonders of the Swiss Alps. Imagine waking up to the sound of cowbells in the distance, stepping out onto your balcony to breathe in the crisp mountain air, and then spending your day exploring the majestic alpine landscape. The Swiss Alps offer a sensory experience like no other, where the sights, sounds, and smells of nature come together to create a truly unforgettable adventure. From the gentle rustling of leaves to the distant call of a mountain bird, every moment in the Alps is a reminder of the beauty and tranquility of the natural world. Switzerland's abandoned villages, now reborn as luxury retreats, offer a unique blend of adventure and indulgence. These retreats provide a perfect balance between the thrill of outdoor activities and the comfort of luxurious accommodations. Whether you're seeking a heart-pounding adventure or a peaceful escape, these transformed villages cater to every desire, making them an ideal destination for travelers of all kinds. They provide a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature in all its glory. In these tranquil alpine retreats, you can find solace and rejuvenation, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the Swiss Alps. Whether you're hiking through lush meadows, skiing down pristine slopes, or simply enjoying the serene landscape, these retreats offer a sanctuary where you can unwind and rediscover the simple pleasures of life. The Swiss Alps, with their timeless beauty and serene ambiance, truly redefine the concept of alpine serenity. The transformation from ruins to resorts. The transformation of an abandoned village into a luxury retreat is a complex and meticulous process. It involves not just physical labor but also a deep understanding of the historical and cultural significance of the site. Each stone, each beam, and each tile tells a story, and preserving these stories while adapting them to modern needs is an art in itself. It requires a deep respect for the past, a keen eye for design, and a commitment to sustainability. Designers and architects must work hand in hand with historians and conservationists to ensure that the essence of the village is not lost in the process. Sustainable building practices are crucial, as they ensure that the restoration is not only beautiful, but also environmentally responsible. The first step is often the most challenging, stabilizing the existing structures. This involves a thorough inspection by engineers and conservation experts to assess the integrity of the buildings. Any structural weaknesses must be addressed immediately to prevent further deterioration. Many of these villages have been abandoned for decades, their buildings left to the mercy of the elements. Over time, nature takes over, and what was once a thriving community becomes a ghost town. The buildings, now decayed and overgrown, present a unique set of challenges for restoration. Before any restoration work can begin, the structures must be carefully assessed and reinforced. This involves not only shoring up walls and foundations, but also addressing any issues with the roof and other critical elements. The goal is to create a stable base upon which the rest of the restoration can be built. Once the buildings are deemed structurally sound, the restoration process can begin. This is where the real magic happens. craftspeople skilled in traditional techniques are brought in to restore the buildings to their former glory. Each element is carefully considered, from the type of mortar used to repoint stone walls to the selection of wood for replacing beams. This involves a careful balance of preserving the original character of the village while incorporating modern amenities. The goal is to create a space that feels both timeless and contemporary, where the old and the new coexist in harmony. Modern amenities are seamlessly integrated into the historic fabric of the buildings, ensuring that guests can enjoy all the comforts of a luxury retreat without sacrificing the charm of the past. Local artisans are often employed, using traditional techniques and materials to restore the buildings to their former glory. Stone walls are repointed, wooden beams are replaced, and roofs are retiled, all while adhering to strict heritage guidelines. These artisans bring a level of craftsmanship and authenticity to the project that is essential for maintaining the historical integrity of the village, all while adhering to strict heritage guidelines. These guidelines ensure that the restoration is carried out in a way that respects the historical and cultural significance of the site. They provide a framework for making decisions about what can be changed and what must be preserved, ensuring that the essence of the village is not lost in the process. The goal is not to create a replica of the past, but to breathe new life into these historic structures, making them relevant and inviting for a new generation. By blending the old with the new, these restored villages offer a unique experience that allows guests to step back in time while enjoying all the comforts of modern living. It's a delicate balance, but when done right, the result is nothing short of magical. Preserving the past, a delicate balance. The transformation of abandoned villages into luxury retreats is not without its critics. Some argue that it's a form of gentrification, pushing out local communities and erasing the authentic character of these places. However, when done thoughtfully and respectfully, this trend can actually be a powerful force for preservation. By investing in these villages, developers are not only restoring beautiful buildings, but they are also preserving a way of life that might otherwise be lost. They are creating jobs, supporting local businesses, and attracting tourists who are eager to experience the history and culture of these unique destinations. The key is to strike a delicate balance between preserving the past and embracing the present. It's about creating destinations that are both luxurious and authentic, where guests can enjoy modern comforts while also feeling connected to the history and culture of the place they are visiting. Experience the perfect blend of history and modern luxury today. As we conclude our journey through the delicate balance of history and luxury, we invite you to keep exploring with Wanderer's Secrets. The world is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique story and charm. From the cobblestone streets of ancient cities to the serene landscapes of alpine retreats, there are countless destinations that seamlessly blend the old with the new. Join us as we continue to uncover the secrets of the world's most fascinating places. Whether it's a centuries-old castle transformed into a modern haven or a forgotten village reborn as a luxurious escape, there's always something new to discover. So pack your bags and set off on your next adventure with Wanderer Secrets. Subscribe, like, and share to stay updated on our latest travel content. Let's explore the perfect blend of history and modern luxury together. Your next unforgettable journey awaits.